In this video, I'll show you how you can change the margins of your PDF for print. You can do this completely for free without Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Acrobat Pro. So here's my PDF. I'm going to change the margins for it. It's on my desktop. So we're going to be using a free tool. So you want to go to Google and type in DEFT PDF, and that's Deft PDF. Go ahead and click on deftpdf.com. Then you can go to All Tools, and then here you can go to Resize, which should be under Popular. Now you can go ahead and select your PDF file by clicking here, and then choose the PDF file you want to add the margins to and click Open. Now if you click Add Margins and Paddings, you can then change these values here. So you can change it from inches to centimeters or millimeters. Just for the video, I'll just enter in here 1 inch so we can get dramatic margins, just so I can show you. Then click Resize. Then it will automatically download your file. You can then open it. So here's the PDF from my downloads with the changed margins. And here's the default PDF without the margins. So here you can see, look at the margins and look at the difference. So that is how you can change them. Thank you for watching.